we're going to take up the next module, that is on technology forecasting. In this video, we will going to discuss about what are the basics, the benefits, what we are going to get by using the technology forecasting. So first, let us take up the introduction to technology forecasting. It is a planning tool or technique applied to predict the following. So what does that mean? So the moment when we talk about the forecasting, that is means it will going to be just, it is a planning, how it will going to be planned to predict some of the following things. The potential direction at which technology change is taking place in the organization, or it can be in the global market. So that means what type of technology we are implementing and what type of technology we are developing, and what will going to be the changes it will going to be takes place in future. All those things which will going to be predicted here. The rate of technology transfer, the effects of technological change on process, products, market, society, etc. So due to the technological change, what are all the effects which will going to have on the process, that is the manufacturing process, or it will going to be on the product, the overall product. Once it comes to the market, what will going to be the changes which will going to be takes place in the market, and what will going to be, how it will going to have an effect on the society. So these are all the things which will going to be happen in the technology forecasting. The forecast is not an attempt to state or predict how these characteristics will be achieved, and is not oriented towards profitability. So this technological forecasting what we are considering is not on the point of view of profitability. It is not that. The benefit and value of technological forecasting lie in its contribution to planning and decision making. So the main benefit what you are going to get out of this technological forecasting is what is the contribution which will going to be done for the planning, and also how to make the decision. The decision makers are concerned about the desirable and undesirable effects of fast growing technologies. So because of the advancement in the growing technology, so what will going to have an effect on the decision makers? So the decision makers will going to be concerned with desirable and undesirable effects of this fast growing technology. Now, what are the reasons or needs for the technology forecasting? Point number one is increased competition in the global market for innovative and cost competitive products. Forecasting helps to incorporate technological changes into strategic planning process. So why there is a need for the technological forecasting? That is because there is a lot of competition, increased competition in the global market. For what? For innovative, that is different types of products, the latest products what will going to be obtained or what will going to be required in the global market. And not only that, because due to the innovative thing, the cost competitiveness will also plays a major role on the product. Because if I have a very high innovative product, but under the same time the cost is not more effective and it is highly expensive, then the entire thing will going to be a loss. The forecasting helps to incorporate technological changes into strategic planning process. So why that forecasting is required? Because we need to have a strategic planning while going for the process. So for that we need a technology forecasting. The point number two, the survival, growth and profitability of companies need to predict future technological changes in order to create a solid and sustainable technological base that can withstand or adapt to rapidly changing market requirement. So that means because there is a huge changes, technological changes, it is taking place in the global market. Because what is today the technology may not be having the same for tomorrow. So because of that reason, we have the lot of changes are taking place. So for that, we should be able to survive ourselves. Not only we should survive, our company should grow. Not only the company should grow, but it also must have profitability. So because these are all the things which will going to be an interlinked. The survival in the market, the growth in the market, and the profitability in the organization. So these are the most important thing which everybody should have it in mind when we are going for the technological forecasting. So that can withstand or adapt rapidly changing market requirements. Identify suitable technologies by evaluating various alternatives. Identify suitable technologies by evaluating various alternatives. You have a lot of alternatives you are going to be get out of this forecasting. Out of that, we must be able to consider one suitable technology. To provide suggestions for future research projects, that is R&D projects, and to invest scarce funds in emerging technologies, that is the excess of funds whatever you get which will going to be used for emerging technologies, and to analyze the effect of technology on the socio-economic aspects of the society. So because due to the technological forecasting, as we already told, that it will going to have a direct impact on the socio-economic aspects. So in such cases, we need to have the technology forecasting. So in the next video, we will going to discuss about what are the benefits of this technology forecasting. Thank you.